News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Abhishek and with me is Renu Kataria.
Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Institute of Forest Biodiversity Hyderabad, Oil India Limited, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, South Zone Cultural Centre, Thanjavur, Department of Official Language, Ministry of Home Affairs, Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Lady Hardinge Medical College, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Labour and Employment, and HLL Lifecare Limited.
Applications are invited from the eligible individuals for filling up of vacancies in the following post by direct recruitment at Institute of Forest Biodiversity, Hyderabad. 1 post of stenographer grade 2, 1 post of lower division clerk, and 5 posts of multitasking staff. Last date for receipt of applications is 24th of November 2020. The detailed notification is available on the website www.ifb.icfre.gov.in.
Oil India Limited invites applications from Indian nationals to fill up the following posts. 3 posts of Superintending Engineer Drilling, 1 post of Manager Accounts or Manager Internal Audit, 1 post of Superintending Medical Officer ENT, 1 post of Superintending Medical Officer Pathology, 1 post of Superintending Medical Officer Ophthalmology, 1 post of Superintending Medical Officer Orthopedic Surgeon, 1 post of Superintending Medical Officer Radiology, 1 post of Superintending Medical Officer Physician, 3 posts of Senior Medical Officer, 2 posts of Senior Security Officer, 5 posts of Senior Officer Electrical, 2 posts of Senior Officer HR, 2 posts of Senior Officer Legal, 18 posts of Senior Officer Mechanical, 4 posts of Senior Officer Instrumentation, 5 posts of Senior Officer Geophysics, 1 post of Senior Officer Reservoir, 1 post of Physiotherapist, and 1 post of Confidential Secretary. The date of commencement of receipt of online applications is 10:00 hours on 1st of October 2020 and last date of receipt of online application is 23:59 hours on 30th October 2020. For further details, visit the website www.oil-india.com.
National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited invites application for 1 post of Assistant Manager / SNT for its RRTS project in NCR. Last date of receipt of application will be 15 days from the date of issue of vacancy notice or as mentioned in the detailed vacancy notice on NCRTC website. For more detail about experience, eligibility criteria, application form, information regarding addition or deletion, amendment, corrigendum and application form etc., kindly visit career section of NCRTC website www.ncrtc.in.
Applications are invited in duplicate from eligible candidates for filling up 1 post of Director, South Zone Cultural Centre, SZCC, Thanjavur, an autonomous body under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. The SZCC Thanjavur is one of the 7 zonal cultural centres set up by the Government of India to promote folk, tribal arts and culture of different regions across the country. The appointment will be on deputation or short-term contract basis for a period of 3 years, which is extendable by 2 years depending upon the performance of the incumbent. The application complete in all respects should reach the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. The application form and other details are available on the websites www.indiaculture.nic.in and www.szccindia.org.
Department of Official Language, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India invites applications for filling up 6 posts of Deputy Director Implementation on deputation basis. The last date of receipt of application duly filled in and complete in all respects along with all necessary documents and certificates etc. through proper channel shall be 60 days from the date of publication of this notice. Details regarding eligibility criteria, duties and responsibilities attached to the post, application form and other relevant information can be downloaded from the official website of the Department of Official Language, that is www.rajbhasha.gov.in.
Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India invites applications for filling up one post of Accounts Officer in the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare. Application and duplicate of the eligible candidates whose services can be sparred immediately on selection to be sent to the concerned authority within 60 days of the publication of the circular in the Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. Complete advertisement, biodata format and certificate formats, etc. can be downloaded from the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare website www.agricoop.nic.in. Link Recruitment Vacancies.
Applications are invited to fill up one post of Labour Supervisor in the Lady Hardinge Medical College and Srimati S.K. Hospital, New Delhi on deputation basis. The last date of receiving applications is 6th of November 2020. For details, log in to the website www.lhmc-hosp.gov.in.
Applications are invited for appointment to the post of Chief Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities under the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. Details of powers, duties and functions of Chief Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and eligibility criteria, along with all other relevant details including the application form, are available in the department's website www.disabilityaffairs.gov.in. The eligible applicants may send their applications within 30 days of publication of this advertisement in the Employment News to the concerned authority.
Applications are invited for filling up the post of Chief Labour Commissioner, Central in the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Shram Shakti Bhavan, New Delhi on deputation, including short-term contract basis. The last date for receipt of application in Ministry of Labour and Employment is 45 days from the date of issue of this advertisement in Employment News and Rozgar Samachar. The detailed advertisement can be downloaded from Ministry of Labour and Employment's website www.labour.gov.in.
Now, Abhishek, before we move further with details about vacancies in HLL Lifecare Limited, first let's share with our listeners some information about the organization. HLL Lifecare Limited, Schedule B Mini Ratna, Central Public Sector Enterprise under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, is India's leading manufacturers and marketers of contraceptive, healthcare and pharma products. A company aimed at realizing the government's family planning program, HLL Lifecare Limited started as a manufacturer of natural rubber latex condoms. The foundation paved the way for a big dream that was in a nascent stage aimed at changing the lives of a number of people. And as HLL metamorphosed into a nation's brand, the dream grew by leaps and bounds. HLL is entrusted with responsibilities to provide affordable pharmacy network across the nation, healthcare service outlets, vaccine security of the nation, the medical devices park and much more.
Now, the vacancies. HLL is looking for value-driven professionals with right attitude for the following positions. One post of Vice President, Human Resources and one post of Deputy General Manager, Finance. For more details and to apply online on or before 18th October 2020, please visit website www.lifecarehll.com/careers.
Information about these vacancies have been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for information in English, Rozgar Samachar for information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting every week on Saturday.
With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with employment news as subject.